Hello everyone, welcome to another video of React.js 19 tutorial series. In this video, we are going to modify the app component and we will be adding one more HTML element to the app component, and that HTML element will be a button. And later on, we will be attaching an event handler, which means if someone clicks on the button, it should do something. And to keep the thing simpler, we are going to call a JavaScript function and log something, right? So this will be the agenda for this video. So let's create the button element. So button, so here the button text, create logs. So this will appear inside the button element, create logs. So here we go, this is the button, and if I click on this button, nothing is happening as of now because we have not attached any event handler functions to it. So let's make some space for the JavaScript function just above the return statement, and I'm going to create it later. But before that, if you type on in front of the button element, you can see these are the events available on click, on mouse up. These are the various events available which we can use for the button element. For now, on click, and here we have to give the JavaScript function name, like on created button click. Let's say this is the name I'm going to give to my JavaScript function, which I'm going to create here. So here, this is my function, this is an arrow function, and here for now I'm going to console log button clicked. It has to be inside string, double quote, start end. Yeah, here we go. So here is the button, so I'm clicking on it. Let's go to console and see. Here is the button clicked. And whenever I click on the button, it will print button clicked again and again. So this is how we attach a JavaScript function to the onClick event. We saw this with the example of a button. We can apply similar approach for different types of HTML elements like paragraph, div, and different types of but the events like on mouse up, on scroll. And another things about the event handler functions is that sometimes we don't want to create a separate event handler. Instead, we can copy and paste it directly inside the JSX. So this is also similar to what we just saw. If I refresh it and click on the button, it will print button click again in the console. So I prefer writing a separate JavaScript functions for the handler so that our code will look neat and clean. And the cool thing about these handlers is that we can access the event object just like this. This is super easy, and we don't have to do any extra modifications to the handler method. And we don't have to pass the event object manually. React will pass this object for us. And if I go to my console, and you can see here the entire event object has been printed into the console. So in the upcoming videos we will see how to use it, but the agenda of this video was how we can attach the event handler methods to the on click event. So this is all about this video. In the upcoming video we will do further modifications to the app component. So till then, take care. I'll see you in the next one.